This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Stinger STS232 VRL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 27 feet 6 inches in length and features a fawn interior, sleeps 3, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, slide out, refrigerator, external shower, air conditioning, TV antenna, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Stinger STS232 VRL is 5,100 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Stinger STS232 VRL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.